What's the meaning of comforting? Comforting. Comforting.
Comforting. Comforting. Comforting refers to making someone feel better by providing them with emotional support or physical comfort. It can involve showing empathy, offering kind words, and providing a sense of security. Comforting actions often help alleviate stress, anxiety, or pain, and can be performed in various ways such as through a hug, a soothing voice, or simply being present for someone. Ultimately, the goal of comforting is to create a sense of ease and reassurance for the individual in need.